Good morning, everybody. Today here at Proformance, we have a 7.3 Godzilla up on the dyno. We just got done running it, made about 630 horse. This is a 6 1/4 package, and it comes with the BTR intake, with the Holley pulley system and pan, with the pump inside, custom grind cam. We could build you anything, big or small. Hit us up if you need a custom built 7.3 or anything for that matter, and we'll get you right. And stay tuned for the dyno runs. Thank you.
Good morning, John. I got your 51 Ford F100 engine on a dyno. Happens to be one of our 7.3 Godzilla engines. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo.